So we'll be coming to the Dental Practice Ownership Conference in June, and we're going to be giving one of these away. So we've been playing with this over the last few weeks, and it's going to be an absolute game changer. It's a DJI Osmo Pocket. It's basically a 4K camera the size of a chewing gum, right? It has a built-in gimbal, so that means you can actually walk around and the image will be stabilized. On top of that, it has facial recognition and tracking. So when you're talking to the camera will actually follow you around, which is absolutely fantastic. So imagine, being a dentist, you've got a lot of intellectual property and knowledge you want to share with your patient. This is going to be the one that's going to help you make that into reality. So we'll be coming to the Dental Practice Ownership Conference in June, and we're going to be giving one of these away. It's valued at $600, but the things that you can change for your practice is going to be massive. So come and see us, 2080 Solutions, at the booth, and we'll see if we can get you to win one of these.